Why do some people routinely respond to emotional difficulty in ways that foster resilience, while others habitually engage in responses associated with disastrous consequences over time? In this course, we'll take a look at the role emotions play in the workplace. We'll see how both positive and negative emotions can benefit your relationship with others. And upon completion of this course, you'll understand how to maintain a healthy balance of emotions in your workplace, which will lead to a better relationship with coworkers and clients. In this lesson, we have looked at what emotions are and the role of positive and negative emotions. Of course, negative emotions can weigh down a team or a department, spreading between people rapidly and detracting from their workplace responsibilities. The key, however, is to promote positive emotions and work to manage the negative ones so they don't spread throughout the organization. We don't want negativity to become the norm. Researchers have challenged the notion that high-risk children will inevitably become adult offenders, arguing that well-targeted intervention could create a turning point in antisocial behavior. The period between childhood and early adolescence is a time when children are more open to social and emotional learning. This creates a window of opportunity for you to promote the pro-social development of emotional regulation. But you have to be able to regulate your own emotions first.